The Three Amigos, Mother Nature, and the Dog. Well, Mother Nature, as her name explains, is the mother of the three amigos, and she owned the dog. While the three amigos were hiding from the mom, and Mom was getting very, very upset. She had called them once, twice, 3 times, and they would not answer. They giggled as Mom was calling them, and this wasn't the first time that they had done this. They hid behind the little door of the bathroom, hoping that Mother wouldn't find them. But Mother got very, very angry, and her voice changed just like the wind and the weather that we're hearing outside. And she began to get very, very angry. But the three amigos did not pay very much attention, as they were still playing hide and seek from Mom. But Mom was not in a hide and seek fun mood. Mom screamed 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And the three amigos still did not answer to Mom. So as moms or dads do, she got angry and she came a-storming. The kids knew when they heard her voice and the anger inside of it that they had better come out of that bathroom or that hiding space, which they did. Mom was furious. Did you not hear me? Yes, Mother, but we were playing with you. Mom had a stern talking with them. Never, ever, ever will you ever do this again. Do you hear me? Yes, Mother, I promise I never will. The wrath of a mother's voice when she's angry, it's not something that you ever, ever want to hear. The three amigos cried. Oh boy, did they ever so cry. And Mother, even though she was very, very angry, she held on to the little amigos and even to the dog who was whimpering at this time. And she gave them the biggest hug. We call Mother, Mother Nature. At times Mother Nature gets really angry and her wind comes up. And then there's rain and lightning and thunder. But as time passes, so does Mother Nature. She calms down and becomes a gentler mother. So that's my story. What is yours?